we have a brand new update for you at Testimonial.to, and we are so excited to show you all about our brand new cards. So what are cards? Cards are pretty great. If you go into any of your testimonial spaces and go to the integration section here, this wasn't here previously, but it is now. Click on custom cards. So what are custom cards? They are custom cards on your wall of love that feature personalized messages or links promoting potential customers to take action. For instance, you can create a card that encourages users to sign up by linking directly to your registration page. So we'll check this one out right here. If I click on create new card, this tells you to sign up now and start collecting testimonials. You can display a card after every 5 testimonials starting at position 1. So this shows you the preview right here. So just to kind of point out, you notice how it's like on this right here. It's essentially almost a built-in widget, which I think is pretty cool. So say if I leave a testimonial here, the link settings, style settings, and the preview are all here. So all you would do is change it to whatever you'd like. So I can make it blue in the background if I wanted. I could change the text to be bold. For example, for the leave a testimonial part here, any of the text can be hyperlinked. So say for example, we go to testimonial.to and I want them to go to the public landing page here. I can just copy the link to my public landing page, go back to custom cards, hyperlink this right here, right? So you see when I hyperlink it, it turns into a button. And then it would ask me for link settings, do I want the button to be a certain color? I could change that to like yellow or whatever color makes sense. Like for me, I think blue is fine. I can keep the background as white, no problem. A card color could also change. I'm gonna just leave it as is. And do I want the link to open in a new tab or not? So I'm gonna press add here. And what this is essentially gonna do is if I go to my website where I have this wall of love embedded, you'll see that after every 5 testimonials, this pops up and shows up. So I think every 5 might be a little too excessive because of the amount of testimonials I have. But if I do one after every like 8. I'm starting at position, let's just say 8. And I'm going to remove some of the extra text, press save. It's almost immediate. All I have to do is refresh the page. And actually I would say that's pretty immediate if I just have to refresh the page and it pops up. So we'll see in a moment that right here. Basically, as it goes through the entire cycle, then click here, and it could be a nice little embed widget, or you can have them go to different things. It doesn't have to be just a testimonial.to link. It can be pretty much anything you can think of, and whether it be another product page, another sales page, a link to another website, whatever you're really wanting people to do. Say they're talking about, for me, I have a bunch of different pieces of content that I do. You could, in this, which is a podcast review, Wall of Love, have it pop up and then link to the podcast itself on your hosting service or Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Many different options here. I think they're great. You do have the ability to add 3 custom cards within your wall of love. Definitely try this out today and let me know your thoughts on what you think regarding this addition to our product suite. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.